Hi guys, it's me, Gordon from GDUBTV, and today I'm mostly walking up and down the motorway. I'll tell you why in a minute. Let's do it. So I'm here in Leicestershire. You just see me just walking around along the motorway. That's because I'm staying in this place just here. George and the team at Captain Seats are going to be carpet lining the T6 project. The van's actually with them. I haven't done any filming of the journey up because you've seen them in other videos if you've been watching the channel. George is just about to come and pick me up, and I'm going to see how they're getting on with it, and then I'm going to talk through what I'm having done and why these guys are doing it. Let's do it. Hey, so guys, check this out. The team here are working on the van. It's looking absolutely amazing. You can see from my face how happy I am. The quality of the finish on this is amazing. I'm going to do the full reveal tomorrow when it's finished. But yeah, just have a little look at this. Look at those wheel arches. They look absolutely amazing. Really, really pleased with just like the quality of this. They're still doing the pop top, so that pop top roof's going to get done. And then there's obviously the panels that are going on the side here. And they've also put a little bit of Dacron insulation in there for me as well, so it's going to be super, super insulated. Which is great. So guys, I'm going to pop back tomorrow. I'll show you all close-ups of what this looks like, but I'm very, very pleased. We'll go back to the hotel that I'm staying at. Let's do it. This is the luxurious hotel room that I'm staying in. George and the team, as you've just seen, are carpet lining the T6 project. As you know, if you've been watching the channel for a little while, I've got a really good relationship with Captain Seats. I really believe in their product. It's the best that I've seen out there. The quality is absolutely amazing. And so when I was talking to George about the T6 project after I sold the T5, he was sort of asking me what my vision was for it, what I wanted to have done. I was mentioning about the carpet lining and how I'd done it before, but it's quite hard to get a really, really good finish on it when you're doing it yourself. And so one of the things that George said was, well, I'd love to showcase the fact that we also do carpet lining. Bring your van up, I'll show you the best job that we can do. Let everybody know and let's see what we can do. And so we've just had some conversations. I'm actually here now. The dream is coming to reality. I'm really excited about what it's going to look like. Today is actually Wednesday the 4th of March, and it's 7:48 in the morning, and so I'm just getting ready and geared up to actually go and collect the vehicle today. But if you check out the Captain Seat website, www.captainseat.com, on there's loads of information. They've actually just got a really good new website. I really, really like it. On there it's got a section called carpet lining and insulation, and if you go on there's all sorts of pricing, but the best thing to do really is to ring the company on the number. You can talk to them about pricing, kind of what you want to have done, whether it's short wheelbase, long wheelbase, whether it's a VW or a Ford or a Merc or some other vehicle. They're really up for taking on any jobs really, but the quality from what I saw yesterday, you only saw a little snapshot, was absolutely amazing. So I can't wait to go back today, check it all out. I know these guys aren't going to let me down. They always do an absolutely excellent job, and that's why I'm prepared to drive 3.5 hours from Kent all the way up here and spend a few days here as well, away from my family, because I know the job that they're going to do is absolutely perfect. It's the Captain Seat way. So I'm not trying to sell anything to you, but I'm just saying, guys, the proof's in the pudding, and let's taste the pudding. So in about 40 minutes, George is going to come and pick me up, and we're going to go and check out the van, which should be pretty much finished. Now I'm going to go and walk back to that petrol station again, getting all cold and muddy, so I'm going to get a coffee.
A few minutes later.
Guys, I didn't think that GDUBTV was going to become a hiking channel. I'm literally like hiking along, look at this, and in the mud, just to get to the petrol station, which is up this way, because I really need my morning coffee. There's even like frost on the ground. My feet are going to get so muddy, but I need my coffee. Right, I better focus on this before I get hit by a lorry or something. Right, peace out. So guys, I'm super excited. I'm just about to go and see the van. George is coming to pick me up. Well, there's George. Right, let's go. Look, it's George from Captain Seats. Morning, mate, you all right? Brilliant. Well, I'm super excited to go and look at the van. It's all done. It's going to look beautiful, I'm sure. Me and George were talking, like, I could do my own carpeting. I have done my own carpeting before. I could even try and retrim my own seats, but the job is not going to be anywhere near as good as these guys can do. They're the absolute best at what they do. That's why I'm up here. That's why I recommend them. They're great guys. Check them out. Link will be in the description. We're going to go and see the van. So George has dropped me off. It is reveal day. I'm super, super excited. And right behind me, you can see with the pop top up, I don't know if you can see that, but that's my van. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, so here we go. You ready for this? We're going to do the big reveal. I can't wait to see what the van looks like. See what a wonderful job the team here have done. Wowee. Check this out. So there we go, check out those doors, look absolutely brilliant. They've done a great job here of removing the rubber trim that I've got and tucking it up around the edge. That's going to look great. I've got some van shades actually being fitted to these and so that's going to cover that. It's going to look amazing. You can see here the line that they've done all the way around the door. It's so incredibly neat. Like I've done this before on my old van and hacked it with scissors and it looks horrific. They've done a great job where there is no edge of making an edge. And all the way around the door it's the same, so that's great. So obviously you can carpet line a vehicle yourself and you can even pay someone a little bit of money to do it, but the problem is the quality of the finish. Can you guarantee that that's going to be good? And that's why I love Captain Seats, because everything they do is guaranteed quality. That's why I'm up here, that's why I recommend them to you guys. The proof is in the pudding. When you come up here and you see it for yourself and you see it in the pictures, you can tell you're getting the best. And that's worth investing in, particularly for the foundational things in your vehicle. You really want to have quality all the way. Best thing is if you're coming up to get your seats done, rock and roll bed perhaps, this is something you can get done in tandem alongside that. Obviously seats and the rock and roll beds, upholstery is their key business, that's their primary business. But this is something that they offer alongside that. Guys, you could do a lot worse. A lot worse, trust me, I know, having done it myself, than getting these guys to do this. I've asked them to leave this because I'm going to have a van shades, kind of like a whole pod that's going to go there, which is going to be carpeted the same colour as this. I'm going to take some offcuts up to them so it's the same colour. This looks absolutely amazing. I'm really pleased with the finish that they've done the roof for me. And we'll just quickly have a little look at the pop top, which is up as well. They've even done the underside of the roof and it just looks absolutely brilliant that the roof's been done. And so look, here's the transition up to there. The carpet's absolutely great. They've trimmed it all the way up to the edge of the metal frame. It just looks absolutely brilliant. And then this obviously goes up. And so as you can see, this just looks like it's a great quality finish all the way through. Like even the way that they finished around the existing trims, all the poppers and things like for the struts. With the Oztops roof, they've left me a bit of wiring there for an LED, and so they've trimmed around that. Guys, you've done an absolutely amazing job. If you're after getting your van ply lined, carpet trimmed, alongside getting your seats and rock and roll bed fitted, then this is something that Captain Seats would love to talk to you about. Link will be in the description. Don't forget to give them a little ring. They'll be able to let you know prices and stuff like that. I'm super happy. Can highly recommend it. You can see from my face how happy I am with it. Can't wait now to get on with the next bit of the build. We're going to get the seats in here. I just got to go on a little road trip and get a few other bits and pieces while I'm up this way. Super exciting. While I'm here, I thought I would show you a sneak little peek of the seats that I'm going to have fitted in the T6 project. They look absolutely amazing. They're all GDUBTV'd up. They've got the logo on. There they are, just up here, just above me. Check these babies out. But of course, I'm not going to show you what they look like. They're all blurry, so you're going to have to watch out for the next video. It's going to be coming in the next week or two of me coming back up to Captain Seats to get the front seats fitted along with a rock and roll bed. Right, so I'm really pleased. It's time for me to head off now. I'm just going to say goodbye to the team. They've done an awesome job. I'm really happy with it. So just a quick chance to say hello to everybody. Says George, Marianne, hello. And then here's Danny. Look, we got the same glasses. Look, we're like brothers.
It's like a brother from another mother.
Brilliant. Guys, thank you so much. You've done a wonderful job. Really pleased. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.